Hi and welcome back to some more Motomondo madness. Okay, so today it's a special one for my friend Malky. Okay, so Malky, I've got no idea what this version is because it's called the S2, and I know you're a massive DeLorean fan, and there's no such thing as a DeLorean S2. There's only the DMC-12S, so I've got absolutely no idea what this version is supposed to be. It said 04 on the year, so I'm guessing it's something that a reproduction of the original. I don't know, it's a bit strange. So, those of you that know that this car is famous. It's famous for being in the film Back to the Future. Oh yes, what a car this was. But I'm going to tell you a few interesting little facts about this car that you might know, you might not know. Do you know that this car wasn't actually that fast? Its speedo on the dashboard only actually went up to 85 miles an hour. But you've seen the film, haven't you guys? And what speed did they try and do? 88 miles an hour, which was in fact impossible. The producers of the movie actually solved this problem by putting a sticker on the dashboard that gave the movie prop vehicle an extra 10 mile an hour push. Yeah, so very interesting fact, you might not know that, but that is true. It only actually went up to 85 miles an hour. So I'm going to give you another interesting fact now. It actually sounded like a Porsche. It came with a 2.85 litre PRV V6 engine with 130 brake horsepower. But the movie producers in the movie decided to replace the original car sounds in the final movie with recordings of a V8 Porsche 928. So I thought I'd give you that interesting information. So yeah, we're coming along, and this is lap one for you, Malky. So if you're watching this, everyone, please subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe if you're new here. Hit that notification bell, give it a thumbs up, and I don't mind you commenting on the video, folks. As long as the comment is positive and not some negative rubbish, I will always try my best to reply to everyone. So as you can see, lap one, I've turned the traction control off because who wants traction control on a classic beast like this? Yeah, I mean, it weren't the most aerodynamic vehicle of its day, I've got to admit. But tell you what, I really had a fun driving this. Now, my question, Malky, if you're watching this, because if you're watching this for the first time and you don't know what I'm talking about, well, there's a guy I've known him for quite a while and he's a massive DeLorean fan. And my question to you, Malky, is have you driven a DeLorean yourself? Or have you at least sat in one? I have been lucky enough to sit in one, I've got to say. Years ago I was at a motor show, and I was lucky enough that the owners allowed me to sit in it. So never got to drive it, but did actually get to sit in one. And I swear to God, Malky, and this is true, I almost cried. It just brought back memories of Back to the Future to me when I was a kid. And yeah, it was such a privilege to be able to sit in a DeLorean. Alright folks, so we are doing lap 3. I've skipped lap 2, even though I got a faster lap on lap 2. I've decided to cut straight to lap 3. Can we get past the 2-minute mark? That is the question. because it's not the easiest car to drive, I've got to admit. As you can see, I made some significant mistakes there in lap 2. But this lap is already roughly a second and a half quicker. So yeah, the car is, like I say, it's really, really, as you can see, erratic. Not the most stable car in the world, but anyway, it was good fun. So we're coming around to the last section here. Oh, ran it really wide there. Got to get this bit right though. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful through there. So we're going to come across the line. We're definitely going to be faster than 2 minutes. Definitely. A 158.017. Yes, that is a pretty decent lap time. So we'll just let you enjoy this replay of the fastest lap, and then I'll speak at the end as usual. Right, so we're over the line, folks. We're over the line. Let's check our time, shall we? So we've got the third fastest time. So it's faster than the Mach 1. There's not a lot in it. We're not as quick as the Integras. But that's to be expected, folks, to be honest. And now we've got the new graphics to show me I was in custom comfort softs, as the other cars were as well, on the top 5 at least. Comfort softs. And yeah, pretty good time that, folks. Third, so in front of the Mach 1 and Camaro. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this one today, and I hope you enjoyed it, Malky. And I look forward to doing the next upload soon. Thank you and goodbye.